Hello everyone, I'm Mike P. with the Holiday Valley Glade crew. We spent this summer up here in the trees revamping all of our existing 4 glades that are on the trail map, and we even added a couple more areas. So what we did is we went in and chainsawed all the deadfall that's been falling over the years, that's fallen trees, branches, smoothed out and made more consistent the forest floor. So we dealt with the material all right in place in a sustainable way. And here we're in longtime skier favorite Happy Glades, which was long overdue for a good clearing out. We went all the way from the Tannenbaum chair to the mistletoe slope, from top to bottom. So if you've ever been curious about skiing the woods, haven't in a long time, and would like to give it a try, Happy Glades is the place for you to start. And you may remember the almost lost and forgotten Devil's Glen. Now you can start from anywhere at the point of Morningstar, almost all the way down to Crosscut Trail off of Northwind, and drop into these beautifully gladed trees now. We've nearly tripled in size the skiable terrain over here in Devil's Glen. And here at the bottom where it comes out onto the chairlift, you can see where we blaze through immature growth. We got to choose species to provide variety, age, size, and spacing for skiing and future growth. And as you can see, we did some terrain enhancements like bridges. And if you want to get into some steep tree skiing, come to Gobbler's Glade. It's one of our newest glades. About 10 years ago it was put in, and it has some of the steepest glade skiing you can have here at Holiday Valley. It's accessed off of the Eagle Chair to the left and past Hoot Owl and down over onto Fiddler's Elbow. And in here, be ready for some fun enhancements like some jumps and whoopties. And here's a great example of where we processed the material, made some fun whoopties and some rollers. We just dealt with the material right here in place, smoothed it out, made it more consistent. And by eliminating all the sticker outers and sticker uppers, we made it a lot easier to ski over. And we've added several kid-friendly routes to your experience, like right here between Mardi Gras and Northwind, and between Moonshadow and Morningstar. And last but not least, my personal favorite, the Ego Glade. Skier left of the Yodeler chair going down, cleared it from top to bottom. For the 3 months we were up here this summer, our main goals were to focus on skier and rider safety, sustainability, and more fun for everyone. So we didn't cut down any live mature trees. We used green, sustainable practices. We focused on the deadfall that was already on the ground to smooth out the forest floor for a more safer, consistent ride.